Our topic is the hack driver. What is the topic of the day? The hack driver, written by Sinclair Lewis. It is written by Sinclair Lewis. It is very interesting story. There is a lawyer who tries to find out Mr. Lutkins. He actually meets him. He was with Mr. Lutkins throughout the day, but he could not recognize him. And the next time when he met him, he was surprised that whom he was looking for, it was the same person who robbed him out of his money. He utilized whatever he had. So, let's begin this very interesting story. The hack driver. Before that, I would like to tell you what is hack. Hack is a horse drawn cart. What is hack? Hack is a horse drawn cart. A young lawyer comes to a village to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins. To serve summon. He wanted to call him for a trial. So he went there with a summon for Mr. Lutkins, Oliver Lutkins. And what is the name of the village? New Mullion. New Mullion is the name of the village. A friendly hack driver. Hack driver, hack I told you. What is hack? A horse drawn cart. Takes him round the village in search of Lutkins. Does he find him? Who is Lutkins? All these questions we are going to answer in the lesson today. Read and find out. Why is the lawyer sent to New Mullion? I told you what is New Mullion. New Mullion is the name of the village. Why was he sent? We have already studied about it. He was sent to give summons to whom? To Oliver Lutkins. Oliver Lutkins, who was a witness for a trial. What does he first think about the place? What was his opinion about the place? He wanted to live over there. Who befriends him? A taxi driver, you can simply say, not taxi driver, a hack driver, a carriage driver, a horse driven cart. Where does he take him? He takes him throughout his village. What does he say about Lutkins? And what was his opinion about Lutkins? All these questions will answer. So line by line, after graduating with honors, so he graduated with honors. Who? The new lawyer, newly appointed lawyer. I became a junior assistant clerk. Narrator, the lawyer is telling us the story. In a magnificent law firm, he became a lawyer in magnificent, in a gorgeous law firm. I was sent not to prepare legal briefs. Because he was a lawyer, but he was not sent to prepare legal briefs, but to serve summons. What was his job? To provide summons. What are these summons? Whenever you are sent for something, for example, if you are a witness or if you are a convict and you are called to the police station or the court, you are given a summon. So his duty was to provide summons to those who were either witness or convict. And you know very well, this is quite risky job, full of risk. Like a cheap private detective. So he compares himself as a cheap private detective. I had to go to dirty and shadowy corners of the city to seek out my victims. He says that he had to search for those victims, those people whom he wanted to serve summons. Some of the larger and more self-confident, sometimes he met more confident or larger people. Once even beat me up. Some of them even beat him up. Sometimes he got thrashing. I hated this unpleasant work. And he says that he did not like this unpleasant work. And the side of the city life it revealed to me. Not only that, he did not like the side of the city life. He had to work in the city. He simply means he did not like the atmosphere in the city. He wanted to live in villages. He wanted to work in villages. I even considered fleeing to my hometown. Fleeing, run away. He even considered to flee away. Fleeing to my hometown, my village, where I could have been a real lawyer right away. Where he could be a real lawyer, he could practice law there without going through this unpleasant training period. Here, he was in training period. He was pursuing his training. But there, he would pursue his career in a different manner. Being a lawyer, because he has already finished the degree with honors. So he could pursue his career there as a lawyer rather than working like a cheap detective here in the city. That is why he is willing to go there without going through this unpleasant training period. Here he compares his job to training period. Here he is in training. And what is his job? To serve summons for. So I rejoiced one day when they sent me out 40 miles in the country. I rejoiced. I was very happy when they sent me. The officers sent him to 40 miles in the country. 40 miles. 40 miles. You can convert it 40 into 1.6 kilometer. That means 64 kilometers. So he was sent for a countryside, a village, 64 kilometers away from his place. In the country to a town called New Mullion. I told you the name, New Mullion. To serve summons on a man called Oliver Lutkins. So who was the person? Oliver Lutkins. We needed this man as a witness in a law case. and he had ignored all our letters. Though we sent letter of summons, but he had ignored all those letters. Even after so many letters, he did not respond at all. So it was necessary for us to go to him, to meet him personally, and to tell him about the case, to be witness. When I got to New Mullion, when he reached over there, what he thought, my eager expectations, he was quite eager to village side, to countryside of a sweet and simple country village, were severely disappointed. What he thought, there will be a good countryside, a safe place to live in, like his village, like his town. But he was completely disappointed. He did not notice any of these things. Its streets were river of mud. What he noticed? Its streets were rivers of mud with rows of wooden shops. What he noticed? There were rows of wooden shops, either painted a sour brown. Sour means dirty. Sour brown, dirty brown, or bare of any paint at all, or bare of any paint at all. Either they were painted in sour brown, that means dirty brown, or no paint at all, not painted. The only agreeable sight about the place was the delivery man at the station. Agreeable. What he liked at the station? The delivery man. He was about 40, red-faced, cheerful, and thick about the middle. In between, he was middle, that means his belly was quite healthy, just like a padeer. His working clothes were dirty and well worn. His clothes were quite dirty, well worn, ragged, torn out. And he had a friendly manner. You felt at once that he liked people. So just after looking at him, you can believe him. You could feel him that he is your friend, and you can ask him. You can believe that he likes meeting people. I told him. So what I asked him? I want to find a man named Oliver Lutkins. He said that he wanted to meet Oliver Lutkins. What happens next? We'll talk about it after some time.